Did you know? OpenAI has just launched the much-anticipated GPT store. Today, we're diving into OpenAI's latest breakthrough, Custom GPTs, and trust me, it's something you've never seen before. This isn't just another tech release. It's a revolution in the way we interact with AI. The GPT store is a library of specialized GPTs that are a new way for anyone to find or create a tailored version of ChatGPT to be more helpful in their specific tasks. But what's even more thrilling is what this means for you and me. In this video, I will be showing you a powerful GPT that creates a full-fledged YouTube video, along with a title, description, and thumbnail, with just a single prompt. But that's not it. I will also show you how to create your own custom GPTs and potentially earn via revenue share from OpenAI. We have a lot to cover in this video, so grab a snack, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive in. Open ChatGPT and click on the top left corner where it says Explore GPTs. As we navigate through the GPT store, you'll notice an array of GPTs, both from OpenAI and ingenious creations by users around the globe. Here are some GPTs created by OpenAI. You can navigate GPTs based on categories. Let's say if you want GPTs for writing purposes or research and analysis, and here are GPTs that are based on DALL-E. Now, let me show you a gem I've found, the Video AI GPT by InVideo AI. It's a masterpiece that automates video creation, and all you need to input is just a text prompt. That's the power of Video AI GPT. You can entirely create such type of YouTube channels by using this GPT alone. On top of that, you can easily monetize these videos on YouTube. Let's dive in and see the magic unfold right before our eyes. The key element here is the prompt you provide. Using generic prompts leads to generic results. But don't worry, I've done the heavy lifting for you. I've prepared a powerful prompt, which is available in the description along with links to this awesome GPT and other valuable resources. Be sure to check it out. This prompt serves as a versatile template for any type of video you wish to create. Simply fill in the details in each section and it'll be ready to use. For instance, I'm aiming to create a travel guide video on Dubai. Here's my approach. I'm targeting a 3-minute duration with the theme, Dubai's Wonders Beyond the Skyscrapers. The opening will feature aerial shots of Dubai and glimpses of lesser-known spots. The main elements should showcase everything from luxurious desert retreats to secluded beaches and culturally rich districts, all in high-definition visuals. I've sourced material from this particular article. The voiceover tone is luxury and discovery, narrated by a female voice with an American accent, akin to a tour guide. It should include subtitles in a sleek, modern font, accompanied by traditional Arabian music blended with modern beats. For the thumbnail, I'm focusing on a captivating aspect of Dubai, using a bold, gold-colored modern font, with the text, Discover Dubai. After you've filled in all the variables, just press enter. It starts creating the video, and then asks for permission to open it on an external site. Click Confirm for that. It's also generated 3 thumbnail variations, complete with SEO-optimized titles, descriptions, and tags. The thumbnails look stunning, though there are spelling mistakes in 2 of them, so I'll choose this one. Here's the video link, which we'll check out soon. The titles are incredibly catchy, and it's nailed the description and tags just as we wanted. This is the magic I was talking about, but the real treat is the video itself. Now ready for viewing.
Into the heart of Dubai, beyond its towering skyscrapers. This radiant city, information from a humble desert town to a global metropolis. Yet despite the city's love of and find solace in the serene landscapes of Dubai, testament to Dubai's ingenuity. Transfer to your whims and fancies. Indulge in rejuvenating spa treatments or thrilling dune activity. Dubai's coastline holds a treasure trove of secluded beaches. The soft golden sands and azure waters serve as the ideal backropolis it is today.
Honestly, it's done justice to the video. Take the script, for instance.
More to Dubai than meets the eye.
Simply fabulous. The selection of videos, voiceover, and subtitles are all spot on. Plus, the background music is amazing, and there's even a cool overlay effect added. However, there are a few tweaks I'd like to make. To edit manually, click on Edit, select a scene, and browse through the millions of stock materials available in their library. Here, you can also modify the script if you like. But personally, I prefer using this handy chat box for changes, similar to ChatGPT. For example, I'm asking it to increase the background music by 20%.
Retreats. Picture this. Opulent tents nestled against...
Now I'll request it to include more relevant videos in these scenes, replacing the previous clips.
Fast pace. The soft golden sands and azure watering. Step into the city's cultural...
Just like that, you can change everything. The script, voiceover, background music, captions, I mean, you get the point, right? Once you're happy with the final version, hit Export. If you're using a free account, remember that the video will have watermarks and 720p resolution. However, I'm on a paid plan, so I can opt for no watermark and HD resolution. Our video is now ready for download, so let's check out the final product.
Dive into the heart of Dubai, beyond its towering skyscrapers. This radiant city, an oasis in the desert, boasts a skyline that's a testament to human ambition and innovation. Each structure, more impressive than the last, embodies the city's rapid transformation from a humble desert town to a global metropolis. Yet despite the city's love affair with grandeur and opulence, there's more to Dubai than meets the eye. But the true allure of Dubai lies in its hidden corners, away from the city lights. Escape the city's hustle and bustle and find solace in the serene landscapes of Dubai's desert retreats. Picture this: opulent tents nestled against the backdrop of endless sand dunes, offering an unparalleled blend of luxury and wilderness. These retreats are a testament to Dubai's ingenuity, transforming the harsh desert into a haven of comfort and elegance. Imagine the tranquility of the desert night, where the only light comes from the countless stars overhead. This celestial spectacle, these retreats truly unique, is the bespoke service. Every detail, from the gourmet meals to the personalized desert excursions, is designed to cater to your whims and fancies. Indulge in rejuvenating spa treatments or thrilling dune-bashing experiences, all under the canopy of the desert sky. A stay in these retreats is like stepping into a luxurious oasis, where time seems to stand still. Beyond the desert's tranquility, Dubai's coastline holds a treasure trove of secluded beaches. Here, the city's rhythm slows down, allowing you to immerse yourself in the serene sounds of the sea. These pristine, secluded beaches offer a tranquil getaway from the city's fast pace. The soft golden sands and azure waters serve as the ideal backdrop for a day of relaxation. But Dubai's charm doesn't end at the shoreline. Step into the city's culturally rich districts, and you're transported into a vibrant...
And just like that, in only 2 minutes, we have an impressive video ready to upload to YouTube. Now, let's move on to the next big thing. OpenAI is doing more than just offering pre-built GPTs. They're empowering us to craft our own custom models. Imagine this, your very own GPT, tailored to your unique ideas, and even serving as a potential source of income. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of creating a custom GPT. But first, a quick shout out to my newsletter, where I share exclusive AI insights that you won't find on YouTube, and it's absolutely free to join. Back to business, head over to the GPT store. But this time, navigate to the Create GPT button in the top right corner. Clicking it will bring you to a dual layout page. On the left, we'll build our GPT, and on the right, we can watch our creation come to life with a live preview as we go along. The crucial part here is coming up with a great idea for our GPT. I'm going to ask ChatGPT for some suggestions. Check out these cool ideas it's given us. I'm drawn to the concept of a personal productivity coach, GPT, something many people could benefit from. So, I'm prompting it to start building this model. Next is naming our creation. I'm not too keen on the initial suggestion, so I've asked for more options. Productivity Pro sounds catchy, so let's go with that. And would you believe it? It's even generated a logo for us. Now, the builder is prompting us to make our GPT more specialized. You can answer this yourself or get help from ChatGPT. Simply paste this prompt I've prepared for you. It instructs ChatGPT to help you through your GPT building process. Now, just copy the question from the GPT builder, paste it into ChatGPT, and let it craft an answer for you. Then, take that answer and plug it back into the builder. Then it's going to update our GPT based on the guidance provided. I want to further enhance our GPT by incorporating some relevant articles. I'm asking ChatGPT to find these for me. We just need the links, so I'll stop it right there and prompt accordingly. Let's copy these links and paste them into the GPT builder. I've also asked ChatGPT to define the role and boundaries of our GPT to ensure it stays focused on its specialty. Again, copy and paste them to GPT Builder. Our GPT is now updated as per our instructions. You can continue to refine your GPT with additional data via prompts, articles, or databases. When you're satisfied, just save your work. You have the option to keep it private or share it publicly. For now, I'll set it to be accessible to selected people only. And there we have it. Our Custom Productivity Pro GPT is ready to roll. Let's put it to the test with a prompt. And look at that. It's working flawlessly. Make sure to know. As of Q1 2024, US builders can start earning from their GPT creations, and soon this opportunity will be available globally. Imagine earning from your innovative ideas in the AI space. The future is bright, and it's just the beginning. That's a wrap, folks. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a like and follow me on Twitter for my juicy AI insights, and join our thriving Discord server for AI discussions. Your support means we can keep exploring and sharing more amazing AI adventures together. Drop your questions and ideas in the comments. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to check out this other video, handpicked just for you. Until next time, keep innovating.